The 2024 Bentley Flying Spur is a high-end car that's also fun to drive. When the conditions call for it, the Flying Spur can easily handle winding roads without changing its calm driving mode. Most models come with either a twin-turbo V8 or a twin-turbo W12 gas engine, but there is also a plug-in hybrid V6 engine that we tested and found to be capable of going 35 miles on electricity alone. The interiors of all models look great, with layers of leather, wood, and metal. There are also a lot of nice touches, like available massaging rear bucket seats. Unfortunately, the Flying Spur's price is also very high, making it out of reach for everyone but the richest people. But if you're lucky enough to be in that tax band, the Flying Spur is the best choice because it combines speed, comfort, and good looks. The price of the 2024 Bentley Flying Spur starts at $217,625 and goes up to $327,425, depending on the trim and options. That range from the base hybrid and V8 to the more powerful. We think the speed model is the best choice because it lets you use the 626 HP W12 engine. When buying their Flying Spur, customers can pick from a few carefully chosen themes, like Cool Harmony, Storm Noir, or Alter Ego. However, if you want to make it truly yours, we recommend going with a fully bespoke build. In the Bentley Mulliner customization program, you can choose from what seems like an endless number of outer colors and styles. Performance. They all have an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive, and a strong engine with 2 turbochargers. The base model comes with a V8 engine with 542 HP, but we recommend getting the speed model, which only has a W12 engine with 626 HP. The Flying Spur has 12 cylinders, so it always has enough strength. In fact, in a speed race, it can show many top-level sports cars its taillights. It went from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds on our test track. The car with the V8 engine did the same 3.5-second 0-60 mph run, but the W12 is a little faster to 100 mph and through the quarter mile. There is also a plug-in hybrid drivetrain that has a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that work together to make 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The PHEV hit 60 mph in 3.9 seconds on our test track, which was only a few tenths slower than the V8 and W12 cars. The EPA's fuel economy numbers for the Flying Spur seem to be for a pickup truck instead of a sedan. With the W12 engine, the car gets 12 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. The V8-powered version gets 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. The Rolls-Royce Ghost, which is the Flying Spur's main competition, doesn't do any better at the pump. Interior. The inside of the Flying Spur is lined with real metal details and real wood trim. Adults have plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy the nice surroundings, whether they're in the front or the back. The makers of Bentley's interiors were able to keep the brand's classic look while adding new technology. People in the back seats can change some settings without having to ask the driver for help using a remote touchscreen controller attached to the back of the center panel. 2025 Bentley Flying Spur comes with 771 HP hybrid V8 engine. Luxurious design, extraordinary performance, and advanced features for an unforgettable driving experience.